Hello and welcome to Baking on a Budget. Now this time what we have is this very simple chocolate souffle recipe. An absolutely delicious souffle, melts in the mouth, absolutely beautiful. We've got everything we need to make that over here, and I'm going to tell you exactly what the quantities are and how much this has cost. To begin with, we'll want 2 tablespoons of milk, that's about 2 pence. We want 1 tablespoon of double cream, that's probably about 8 pence. We want 75 grams of sugar at 9 pence. We want 60 grams of dark chocolate, and that is £1.20. We want 3 eggs, 42 pence. We want 3 tablespoons of water, which we can't cost, and a pinch of salt, which we can't cost. Also, we're going to have 30 grams of cocoa powder at 36 pence, and 1 tablespoon of icing sugar at 5 pence. So the whole recipe comes to £2.22. We're going to get 4 excellent chocolate souffles out of that, making each one 55 pence. Now, there's a few steps to this, so let's get to it. Okay, first thing we want to do, get the chocolate into a small bowl. And then we want just 2 tablespoons of the milk, and we want 1 tablespoon of the double cream. And on the hob, what I have is a pan of boiling water. It's almost there to the boil. And I'm going to put this in here. And we just want this to melt down. This will only take a minute or two, so I'll just keep an eye on it as it's melting. And we'll want the oven gloves to take that out. Okay, and with the chocolate nicely melted, next thing we want to do is add this cocoa powder. Very good. And to that, I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of this water. Now, we want to whisk all of this together, stir it all together, and I'm going to briefly return it to the heat just to get it really nice and smooth and well combined. That could maybe have a little more water. I'll put another tablespoon of water in there. Okay, back over to the heat just for a moment or two. Again, that's had a little bit of heat. The whole thing is really nice and smooth, fairly stiff, but this is what we want. Okay, so the next part of this is to separate the eggs, and I'll put the whites in this jug, and I'll put 2 of the yolks in this cup, and I'll just save the other one and maybe stick that in an omelette later. Now what we want to do is beat these egg whites into really stiff peaks, so I'm just going to do that with this hand whisk. Okay, and that's it there. That's looking very good. Now to that, we want to add the sugar, but we just want to do it a little bit at a time. Just a spoonful of that sugar. Mix it well in. And there it is. All right, now moving back to the chocolate mix, I'm going to stick 1 of the yolks in there and stir that in. This has had a chance to cool whilst we've been whipping up the egg whites. Looking good. And we'll put the other one in. Okay, now we just want to beat this together. Obviously this will loosen up a little at this point. And when that's all done, like that, we will combine the 2 of these. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is transfer this chocolate mix to a larger bowl, because what I want to do is stir in the egg whites, or fold them in rather, and I don't think this little bowl is going to be big enough. And we want to make sure we get just about as much as we can of that off the sides of this bowl. And now what we want to do is take about 1/3 of our egg whites and put them in there. This again will loosen up the chocolate mix, and we just want to go a little bit at a time with the egg whites in here, stirring and cutting them in, so to speak, until that's all nicely combined. Now I've got the oven on in the background, coming up to temperature, and the oven wants to be at 190 degrees centigrade. The conversions for that are in the description below this video. But it's a fairly warm oven that we are going to put these in. And they're not going to stay in there very long at all. I think they'll stay in there about 12, 15 minutes, something like that. Right, happy with that. Now I'll get the next third of the egg whites in there. And it's the same operation. We just want to continue this until all of the egg whites are combined with the chocolate mix. Okay, and there it is. That is looking excellent. Right, so the next thing we want to do with this is get the ramekins prepared. As I say, the oven will be almost up to temperature now. So I'll set that aside. Right, so I have 4 of these 9cm wide ramekins, and I have some butter. And what I'm going to do is just coat them, the insides of them, right the way around the lip, with the butter. Now, we just want to take the brush and sort of brush the butter up that way so that there's no obstructions for the thing to rise, if you're with me. So that is like that. And then I'm just going to take a sprinkling of sugar and coat that all the way around with the sugar. And with our ramekins prepared, what we can now do is take our souffle mix and very carefully get it into the ramekins. I say very carefully, and spill it on the table immediately. Okay, they are looking fabulous. Now the last thing I'm going to do is just take my thumb round the top to indent it a bit so it's not going to catch on the sides of this at all. That's that one. There we are. Right, they are on the baking tray, and as soon as the oven's up to temperature, that's where they're going. Okay, and 15 minutes later, look at these. These look absolutely fantastic. They've risen beautifully. What I'm going to do is I'll let them cool just a little. They probably will sink a little when they cool, but I'm going to dress one up. I'm going to get a spoon. I'm going to tell you how this tastes. Okay, folks, look at this. This is a chocolate souffle. I've dusted it with a little bit of icing sugar, and I've put a little dollop of whipped up cream on there as well. I'm going to take a spoonful of that, and I'm going to tell you what that's like. Look how light that is. That's really light. That melts, seriously. Immediately melts in the mouth. That is absolutely delicious. The cream's just melting over a little. And always a thing that people do find a little bit trepidatious, making a souffle, but seriously not that difficult. And a relatively inexpensive dessert, 55 pence. And that is absolutely top quality dessert. Still steaming from the oven. It really has just come out of there. Could serve this with some berries and stuff like that. And the others, they can be reheated. You can reheat them in the oven and again put your cream on and stuff like that, and they'll just all melt into it and make an absolutely beautiful thing. So there you have it, a very simple chocolate souffle recipe. If you like chocolate desserts, you must try this, really. It is absolutely fabulous. It goes down very easily and is superb. So can I say, if you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos of this nature, making absolutely delicious food at a rock bottom cost, as I say, 55 pence for this, then do consider subscribing to the channel. Many more videos to come. And in the meantime, I think I've got 2 spoonfuls of this left. I'm going to finish it off, and I thank you very much for watching.